we season the chicken with Maggi, all-purpose, and chicken seasoning, and we also add all-purpose seasoning and paprika to the flour. We're going to let our oil preheat, and in the meantime, we are going to drain our pasta. You can add oil and salt to the pasta water. So now we're going to prep our seasoning. So we're going to cut up ginger and garlic, and we're going to finely dice both the ginger and the garlic. So this is the garlic. We're using green and red bell peppers, and we're going to cut the peppers in medium size. You can also use yellow bell peppers also. The bell peppers adds flavor to the meal and also serves as a garnish. We're going to use half of a medium onion, and we're going to cut it medium size also. And this is also for flavor and garnish. We're going to use 4 slices of pineapples, and we're going to cut it in 4 pieces. So now we're going to cut up the scallion finely chopped, and we're going to use the scallion in the lo mein. Also with the scallion, we're going to use onions and garlic, and those are going to be finely chopped. We're also going to add cabbage to our lo mein. You can also use pak choy. And you're going to shred this fine. These are all the ingredients that you'll need for your sweet and sour chicken. So we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil to our preheated pot. Now we're going to add our ginger and garlic. Now we're going to add our onions and our bell peppers. And we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And you can add any amount of vinegar that you want based on your preference, and or pineapple juice. You can also use orange juice and lime or lemon juice, because remember it's called sweet and sour chicken. Now we're going to add sugar and all-purpose seasoning, and the sugar also with ketchup and the pineapple juice adds serves as a sweetening agent, and the vinegar adds to the sour. Now we're going to add our sweet chili sauce. So this offers both sweetener and a little spice to the dish. We're going to add ketchup, and then we're going to let the sauce thicken before we add the chicken and the pineapples. So now we're going to add our fried chicken breast. You can also use boneless chicken thighs, and it all depends on your preference. Now we're going to add our pineapple slices. We're going to mix everything all together, and then we're going to cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So for the lo mein, we're going to use spaghetti, onions, scallion, cabbage, California greens, mushroom, and soy sauce. So now we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil to our wok, and then we're going to add our finely diced onion and garlic, and let your fire be on medium heat because you don't want your seasoning to burn. So now we're going to add our scallion, and let this saute for a little while. We're going to add the cabbage. We're going to let the cabbage cook for a little while until it's translucent or until it softens. We're going to add a little seasoning, so we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning to our pot after we've added our California veggies, which consists of carrot, broccoli, and cauliflower. And we use all-purpose seasoning, but you can use whatever seasoning that you like to add flavor. You can also use black pepper and salt, but I don't use black pepper. So now we're going to add the spaghetti, and you can also use lo mein, but I use what I had, and that's spaghetti. So lo mein already has its own noodles, so you can buy lo mein noodles in your local grocery store. But if you have spaghetti on hand, then spaghetti it is. Now you're going to add soy sauce, and then you're going to add your mushroom sauce, and the mushroom sauce gives the meal a smoky flavor, and they both gives the lo mein the coloring or the color that you desire. Be mindful that while doing all of this, you can taste and add seasoning based on your preference. We're going to mix this all together and let it simmer for 5 minutes.